W-Sraft history is a fascinating subject, as it encompasses the development of various handmade arts and trades throughout time. From ancient pottery and weaving to modern-day crafts, the evolution of handmade items reflects both cultural and technological changes in society. Middle Ages and Renaissance. During the Middle Ages, craftsmanship took on a more structured form with the rise of guilds. These organizations brought together artisans of a particular trade and set standards for their work. This was also a time of great religious influence on crafts, especially in the creation of religious icons, stained glass, and manuscripts. Renaissance. The period saw an explosion of art and craftsmanship, with artists like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and others combining fine art with technical skill. Many crafts, such as glassmaking, goldsmithing, and textiles, flourished during this time. The Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries brought about mass production, which changed the nature of craft. While mass-produced goods became more common, there was also a reactionary movement known as the Arts and Crafts movement, late 19th century, which sought to revive traditional handcrafted methods in response to industrialization.
Figures like William Morris and John Ruskin championed the beauty of handcrafted items. Modern craft. In the 20th and 21st centuries, craft continued to evolve in response to social, cultural, and technological changes. Movements such as Art Nouveau, Art Deco, and craftivism all played significant roles in reshaping the landscape of craft. The development of tools like 3D printers has opened new possibilities for crafting. Craft became increasingly associated with dye culture, sustainability, and artistic expression. The maker movement, which emphasizes hands-on creation and innovation, has also made a resurgence in the digital age.